ground floor. Doors opening.
It's a footbridge lift. Oh dear.
Closing.
Door is not closing.
Closing.
Door is not closing.
Closing.
Door is not closing.
Closing.
Turn it to clean them.
This way.
Closing.
Now it works. Lift going up.
Lift going up. Bridge level.
That's weird. Doesn't sound very good, does it?
No. Left.
Is that it?
No.
It's probably up there. It's probably down there glitching the doors out.
Yeah.
Doesn't do it on this floor. Maybe there's someone calling it.
No, it's glitched.
It's a new problem at least.
Oh, there's something in it, that's why. Oh no, they gave up and came up the stair.
Might be someone using it too.
Yeah. It's coming up and they've got it.
Doesn't sound great, does it?
No.
Is there someone in it?
No, they came out.
But fed up with the glitch.
Yep, I'm though.
Closing.
So it's just an issue with that set of doors.
Yeah.
Lift
going down.
Doesn't sound brilliant.
Street level.
Ah.
Doors opening.
Back left. Traction as well. Logic cabinets in there. We have logic cabinet location. Right, so let's not rush this up because it takes more ages to shut. You rush it.
Doors closing.
Shut instantly for once. Lift going up.
Lift going up.
Anyways,
Bridge level. Doors closing.
let's use the window.
Lift going down. Street level.